So after that sumptuous breakfast, now on our way towards SK border, and you can see in the mirror our entire riding group. Beautiful line. Man, what a breakfast Renuka offers. I mean, the kind of variety that they provide, and the taste of the food, and so homely food. Just love it. Every time you get the same taste, same consistency of sambar, or the korma that they give. Just love that place. There is some magic in that place. Just too good. And the food is so homely. You're just too happy to eat all of that they come in offer. And if you see on road, there will be a lot of these rainbow patches. These are all the oil marks which are from car or lorries or buses. Need to be extremely careful. I had just done a reel on tips on how to be safe during monsoon. How to ride safe during monsoon. So this is one of the culprits which really creates a lot of issues for riders, bar drivers, whenever they are on the road. Wow, look at the weather out there. Just too good. Stunning. Look at that layered fog. Just too good. So Kishan has just stopped to take some nice photos with the background, with these hills and all of it. So he just stopped there. And here also they're widening the road, and we are approaching the SK border now. So we need to do an entry and then get in. So we'll just stop and get the entries done. So we'll send batch by batch. So let's get in and get the entry done and then leave. We are not supposed to record, so I'm just switching it off here. So done with our entries at SK border. Now on our way to Sringeri. We'll send all the riders ahead and then catch up with them. Yes. So we've taken multiple entries in each of the paper. So normally what happens is you have to do one entry, but because we are in a big crew, we've taken 10 members in one shot. So here at SK border, the first few kilometers road is very good, and after that the road starts getting bad. So I'll have to catch up with the rest of the team and make sure we're all together. It's fortunate, at the same time unfortunate, it's not raining. Fortunate because when it rains you will see the water flowing down, and that's when you have this illusion saying you're going backwards. Even though you're riding ahead, you get this illusion that you're going backwards when you look at the water. And unfortunate that it's not raining. We're not able to ride in monsoon. Nonetheless, happy to ride here all the time. The weather is decent and there's a good amount of fog around. So it's always good to ride here. but it looks like it might rain anytime because it's full dark and cloudy. So it might rain any particular time, you never know. But on our way, once we are towards Sringeri also, it might rain. You never know when it's gonna rain. Last year when we had come for monsoon ride towards this place, my god, that was such a lovely ride, and throughout we got rain, and it was literally flooded at certain bridges. So just love that ride. And while riding here, there should be one thing in your mind. You should not be taking the extreme corner roads. If you see all these extreme corners have algae because of regular water crossing there. There's algae, and also in all these side patches, because of water, it takes a lot of sand and pebble and stone particles. So that's another danger that you face when you're riding in these kind of terrain. So not just here, any Ghat sections, you'll have to be very careful not to take the extreme left or the right road because of this. So always tell the riders that, you know, try to be in between the center line and the extreme left line, in between lane, because that's the safest line that you can take. And if somebody is trying to overtake or you something, just slow down and maybe give the way for the car or motorcycle who wants to overtake you. But otherwise, always ride in between the center line and the corner line. That way you are always safe, and you never get into any kind of trouble because you're not on the corners. Need to get the back together. That'll happen only once I go ahead and lead and slow down a bit. Otherwise they might continue riding in the same pace, and the group will be two parts. Look at the weather out here, just magical. Look at that nice mist in between and nice canopies of trees. Wow, just too good. And this is the beauty of riding in monsoon. The entire environment is lit up. It looks so colorful. All the colors come out bright. Greenery all around. Then you have this foggy kind of a dramatic. Whoa! Look at this dramatic view here. Just too good. This is true nature's beauty. Just looks like you're getting into some dreamland here. Look at that amount of mist. I don't know how much GoPro is able to justify this, but then this is an absolute beautiful visual treat. Full team untu irutta? Okay. Enche weather tule, shah, beautiful. Go. Poi. Yes. Come. Bale. Wow. Let's show you the fleet now. Now this is a narrow road, single road throughout. and you have cars also coming, so you need to be a little alert. And look at that entire fleet, beautiful fleet. I can look at this view all day long with our Honda riders riding ahead. Entire nice line, just too good. EGG connected undu. And finally back to the track with all the riders. Yes, here we are. Once you take the left towards Sringeri, the roads are very narrow like this. It's just like one road, and you'd have to be very, very careful while riding here, because you see a lot of these pebbles and stones and all of them have come onto the road, and this car also come very fast, so you need to be careful while riding in these kind of road conditions, because it's a very narrow road. And it's like one single lane, so two cars cannot kind of cross at the same time, so the other car has to get off the road and then the other car can pass. Max you have space for one car and one motorcycle to pass at the same time. There's one of those, maybe a 10 feet road or 12 feet road, not too wide, but then the journey is beautiful. It's very nice scenic journey, good turns and curves and inclines. And not too sure if the network works out here. I haven't pulled out my phone to check out. See, because of rain, a lot of trees branches have been dropped. So now we are going towards Sirimane waterfalls. So I'm not too sure where exactly the Sirimane waterfalls is. There's a left, because I don't have the maps on me. I'm just keeping my eyes open to figure out if there's any board which directs me towards the Sirimane waterfalls.